If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting matchmaking. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking GTA 5. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting your network settings. This can be done by restarting your router or modem, or by resetting the network settings on your console or PC. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.